Have you ever wondered how an open relationship could backfire? Well, to understand this, we first need to grasp the fundamentals of open relationships. At their core, open relationships are a form of consensual non-monogamy, which means that all parties involved agree to have more than one romantic or sexual partner. This concept can take various forms, from polyamory, where people have multiple loving relationships, to swinging, where couples swap partners for sexual encounters. It's a world where love is not limited to a single partner, a world that defies the traditional concept of monogamy. Many people have misconceptions about open relationships. Some believe they're a free-for-all, a wild ride without rules or boundaries, yet this couldn't be further from the truth. Open relationships require clear communication, defined boundaries, and mutual respect. They're not an escape from commitment, but rather a different kind of commitment, one that involves multiple partners. Another common misconception is that open relationships are a solution to problems in a monogamous relationship. However, adding more people to a relationship that's already struggling can often exacerbate the issues, not solve them. Open relationships are not a band-aid for a failing relationship. They're a lifestyle choice that requires careful consideration and a lot of open, honest dialogue. In the realm of open relationships, consent is king. Every party involved needs to know and agree to the terms. It's not about deceiving your partner or having a secret affair. It's about mutual agreement, trust, and understanding. However, even with the best intentions and the most careful planning, open relationships can still hit rough waters. Because, let's face it, human emotions are complicated. And when you add more people to the mix, things can get even more complex. So, while some find open relationships liberating and fulfilling, others may find themselves in a tangled web of emotions, leading to misunderstandings and hurt feelings. However, not all open relationships sail smoothly, and sometimes they can backfire spectacularly. Let's delve deeper into this in the next scene. Now let's delve into some real-life stories where open relationships didn't go as planned. Our first tale takes us to a couple who decided to explore an open relationship without setting clear boundaries. They believed love alone would guide them through any turbulence. However, the lack of communication led to misunderstandings, jealousy, and eventually, a heartbreaking separation. The moral of the story? Clear, open, and honest communication is vital to avoid such pitfalls in an open relationship. Next, we have a story of mismatched expectations. One partner thought an open relationship meant having casual flings, while the other envisioned deeper emotional connections with others. This difference in perspective caused tension, betrayal, and ultimately, the dissolution of their relationship. The takeaway here is the importance of aligning expectations before embarking on an open relationship journey. Lastly, let's look at a case where an open relationship led to emotional complications. This couple was initially excited about their open arrangement. Still, as time went on, they found themselves battling feelings of jealousy, insecurity, and resentment. They had underestimated the emotional complexities involved in maintaining such relationships. This story underscores the need to consider and prepare for the potential emotional challenges that may arise. We also have instances where individuals felt pressured into an open relationship, fearing they'd lose their partner otherwise. This lack of consent and personal comfort led to feelings of resentment and betrayal, eventually causing the relationship to crumble. It's crucial to remember that everyone involved should be comfortable and on board with the decision to open up the relationship. These stories all highlight the challenges that can occur when navigating open relationships. Lack of communication, mismatched expectations, emotional complications, and the absence of mutual consent are common issues that can cause these relationships to backfire. As you can see, navigating an open relationship can be a complex task fraught with potential pitfalls. But fear not. The next part of our video will provide expert insights to help you better understand and manage these challenges, so stay tuned. To unravel these complexities, we sought advice from relationship experts and psychologists. Open relationships, like any other form of relationship, can be a minefield of miscommunications and mismatched expectations. According to Dr. Jane Summers, a renowned relationship expert, the primary reason why open relationships can backfire is a lack of clear communication. She explains, in an open relationship, communication isn't just about expressing your feelings, it's about discussing your desires, setting boundaries, and managing expectations. Dr. Summers goes on to emphasize the importance of setting boundaries. She says, boundaries aren't about restricting your partner's freedom. They're about creating a safe space where both partners can explore their desires without hurting each other. Here's where psychologist Dr. John Davis takes the baton. He highlights the psychological and emotional aspects that can cause complications in open relationships. People often underestimate the emotional impact of an open relationship, he states. Jealousy, insecurity, and fear of abandonment can easily creep in if not handled properly. Dr. Davis further explains that these emotional responses are natural. They don't mean that you're not cut out for an open relationship. Instead, they're signals that you need to address certain issues with your partner. He suggests, use these emotions as a cue to have a conversation. Express your feelings, understand your partner's perspective, and find a common ground. It's also worth noting that the experts stress the importance of managing expectations. Dr. Summers advises, in an open relationship, both partners need to be on the same page about what they want from the relationship and each other. This includes understanding and respecting each other's desires, boundaries, and emotional needs. From these expert insights, it's clear that successful open relationships require more than just an agreement between two partners. They demand a high level of emotional intelligence, empathy, and communication skills. They require partners to be honest about their feelings, to respect each other's boundaries, and to manage their expectations. It's clear that successful open relationships require a particular set of skills and a lot of understanding. So, how can we learn from these misadventures and avoid common mistakes in open relationships? Well, the first step is to learn from the experiences we've shared today. These stories aren't just cautionary tales, they're lessons about the importance of open communication, mutual consent, and respect for boundaries in any relationship, particularly those that are non-traditional. Communication is key. It's not enough to just agree to an open relationship. You need to keep the lines of communication open at all times. Discuss your feelings, share your fears, and express your desires. Remember, an open relationship isn't a free pass to do whatever you want. It's an agreement between two people who are committed to each other's happiness. Mutual consent is another critical factor. An open relationship isn't something you can force on your partner. It's a decision that should be made together, after careful consideration of each other's feelings and desires. If one person isn't completely on board, it's likely to lead to resentment, jealousy, and other negative emotions. Respect for boundaries is equally important. Each person in the relationship should have the freedom to set their own boundaries and expect that they will be respected. This includes boundaries about who you can date, how often you can see other people, and how much information you want to share about your other relationships. Another crucial lesson is to understand that an open relationship isn't for everyone. It requires a high level of emotional maturity and communication skills. It's not a solution to a failing relationship, and it's not a way to avoid commitment. It's a lifestyle choice that should be made with full understanding of the potential challenges and rewards. Finally, don't forget to check in with each other regularly. An open relationship is a dynamic arrangement that can change over time. Regular check-ins can help ensure that everyone's needs are being met, and that the relationship is still working for both of you. Remember, every relationship is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. In conclusion, while open relationships can be fulfilling for many, they require careful managing. Today we've navigated the choppy waters of open relationships, shining a light on the potential pitfalls and misadventures they sometimes hold. We first explored the intricacies of open relationships, highlighting the immense freedom and trust they can foster. Yet, we also underscored the fact that these relationships, like any other, bring their own unique set of challenges. Then we delved into real-life stories of open relationships that backfired, illustrating the importance of clear communication and mutual understanding. We saw that a lack of these essential relationship ingredients could lead to misaligned expectations and hurt feelings. We also heard from experts in the field, offering their insights and perspectives on these complex dynamics. They emphasized that open relationships are not inherently problematic, but they require openness, honesty, and a mutual agreement on the rules of engagement. And finally, we shared guidance and lessons gleaned from these stories and expert insights. We learned that to navigate an open relationship successfully, it's crucial to establish clear boundaries, maintain open lines of communication, and ensure mutual understanding and respect. In essence, open relationships are not a one-way ticket to relationship bliss or disaster. They are simply another form of relationship that requires the same amount of work, communication, and understanding as any other. So, Whether you're already navigating an open relationship, considering embarking on one, or just interested in the concept, remember that every relationship is unique. What works for one may not work for another. It's about finding what suits you and your partner best, and ensuring you're both happy, respected, and fulfilled. Whether you're in an open relationship or just curious about it, we hope this video has provided some valuable insights. Until next time, keep exploring, keep communicating, and remember, there is no one-size-fits-all in relationships.